Good morning, everybody. Today's the day when I travel, and today's the day when I travel for the first time with my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this video is going to be a video where I demonstrate how long the battery lasts. All right, so I have a couple of things to do over here. This is my office in Hungary. This is my studio where I film a lot of my things and I have my stuff. But I live in Barcelona, so I gotta be traveling back to Barcelona today via train, then a bus, and then a flight. So it's gonna be a long, long day. Currently, it's 11:36. So it's a true life experience on how you would use the phone. Not those battery tests where you just compare and just push it to the maximum and just see when it depletes. No. This is how you actually use the phone. When you have an option to charge, you charge it a little bit. But I will not be charging this phone anymore, and hopefully it will survive until tomorrow. So I can continue my video all the way until tomorrow. That's the challenge for me for today, is to get this phone all the way into tomorrow. I'll be using hotspots, I'll be using GPS, I'll be taking a lot of photos because this is my new phone and I haven't really taken any photos with it. So I really want to see what the comparison is between an iPhone 13 Pro Max and a 14 Pro Max and an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it's gonna be an interesting day. Let's get going. Train right now, and I've been using my phone for hotspot. Right now it's 3:48. I am on 86% so far. So we just got off the train. I can say that the battery went down 10% during that hotspot hour. I was traveling for 1 hour, nothing dramatic. Now on to the metro. I'm gonna fire up the GPS so I know exactly where I'm going, and then about half an hour with the bus, and then I'm at the airport and I can do my hotspot again. So I'm here at the airport, 5 o'clock. Everyone was looking at me so weird because it's around 15 degrees here in Hungary, but I'm going to Spain. So basically, I'm in shorts. And everybody's in their big coat and pullovers. Anyway, I'll update you soon from inside what the battery percentage is. I've been using YouTube. I've been doing a couple of things. So yeah, see you inside. Okay, so I am in, and apparently there is a little bit of delay, which is perfect. I love when there's only a little bit of delay because I have this magnificent card. It's the Revolut card, and this was not sponsored or anything, it's just my convenience. And this is a MasterCard World Elite card that they give you, which means I have access to the MasterCard Lounge. So I will be going in there. Currently it's 5 o'clock right now, and the battery is on 69%. I've been watching YouTube, I've been using GPS, I've been purchasing tickets, I've been sharing hotspot, I've been doing everything you can imagine on my phone so far with the brightness on maximum and basically the always on display, always on. Let's go into the MasterCard Lounge and let's eat something and drink something. Yeah, did I say it was totally for free? Alas, my time has come here in the MasterCard Lounge. Now, battery percent. We are at 67%. I downloaded 2 episodes on HBO Max. I downloaded 3 episodes on Netflix. I downloaded on YouTube. I had a meal. Everything was fantastic. So far so good. It's not taking so much, and I'm really happy about it. Let's see the flight. I'll be using my iPad most of the time, so I don't think it's gonna be that much big of a deal. And then we arrive to Barcelona. Maybe go out, maybe not. We'll see. And then let's hope. I'm still hoping that it's gonna survive until tomorrow. To Barcelona. Hi, babe.
Hi.
Hola, Woody. For 950, and the battery percentage is 29%, which is fantastic. After a little bit of GPS and a little bit of a car ride, the phone is on 28%, and it's been running for 12 hours almost. It's 10:16 at this moment. What a beauty. She's taking my bag. It's like, no. I will take it. True superstar. Superstar of the day. Thank you, babe. So, arrived home. This phone was unplugged at 8, minimum charging until around 11. Now it's 11 o'clock in the evening. I've used it excessively, buying tickets, GPS, taking photos, a lot of photos. As you can see, this is all the raw footage that you just saw previously. A lot of it was shot on this device, a lot of it was shot on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I was watching YouTube on the plane, I was watching or sharing the internet from this device. So it's 11 o'clock and it's 24%. Always on display. Camera, it was pretty good. Now, I'm not gonna charge this phone, and I wanna see how it does until the morning. I'm gonna go to bed maybe in an hour, and we're gonna see the results. So until then, I'm gonna leave it on always on. I'm not even gonna put it in sleep mode. So the screen is on all night. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Good morning, buddy. Good morning, everyone. It is 9:41 in the morning. The phone was on all night with always on, and I can say that it went down 10%. You can see it's 9% right now. I was hoping it would survive a little bit better. It would be more, but let's see how much this 9% gets me. We're gonna go have breakfast right now, and I hope it's gonna stay alive until I find a place where I can work and I can charge my phone. All in all, from out of 10, what would you say this breakfast place was?
Maybe 7, 6. I mean, it's not our favorite because we really like eggs. Like more brands, no? Like
Sí.
Zenith or
Billy Branch.
Billy Brand.
I say it was a very strong 5
Sí.
or a weak 6.
Sí, I'm with you. Because it was comfy, they accept dogs. This is very useful for us.
It was good.
It was good.
But now on to more important things. Can you believe that I pulled off the phone 24 hours ago, or almost 25 hours ago, and it's still on 1%, and it's still working? What's your opinion on that? From a person who...
It's amazing that has the 11.
Yeah, she has the 11.
And if I use it a lot, it lasts like 4 or 5 hours. And if I don't use it so much, I always need to charge it in the night. So
This is pretty good.
Useful. This is fantastic.
So, Lola chipped off. She has some stuff to do. I'm going back to the apartment to start my work, and officially at 12:24. As you can see, this one I'm recording with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm gonna stop the review because I think I made my point. It's 1 day battery life. It did not stay for 2 days, but I think this 1 day battery life is pretty impressive. Now guys, I am recording with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I think it's time to say goodbye because I think at any moment the iPhone could die.